Guys, how to making amazing wallpaper in one of the apps. So we need to download one app first. So these apps we need to download from Play Store. So we go to Play Store here. These apps actually need to install first. So once you install, then you see the amazing things. So these apps you need to install. Okay, so I go to install first. Install, then you can making a amazing wallpaper for your phone. The second, okay, already done. I go to open. Okay, I open this apps. Okay, they give to some ads. Okay, I open the template. Okay, you guys open this template. Okay, open this template. You can see here jungle, shadow, whatever you want you can download. A popular, jungle, shadow. So I prefer to popular. So I unlock. There is already locked, right? This template is already locked. So what you need to do, just tap here, simply watch ad. They are asking to watch ad, so we need to watching this ad, maybe 30 seconds. So just okay, after this ad, then we come here, then already unlocked. So you see the magic, you can put your name here, then you can set up your wallpaper in your phone. So for this I need to write here the name. So I need to write here the name first. The name I just put here. I put my name here, or I put the other name, AI digital. Okay, done. Okay, now you can make a smaller than this. So I adjust, just pull the slide, you see the size here, size you can make a small. I make a small a bit. Okay, enough, just enough. Okay, just looking awesome. I go to next, then go to next. Okay, go to next. Just a second please. Okay, just cross. Now is the you can set up your wallpaper. You can download gallery or can share with Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever you want. So better I do the setup is my wallpaper. So home screen, just see is looking how. Okay, you see wonderful amazing thing, right? So this is my my wallpaper here. So you guys can do your name, you can put here stylish, is looking very beautiful. So thank you very much watching this video. Hopefully enjoy this video. Bye bye.